Right, so as you can see, I've got the project from the last project open, the last scene from that. So we're going to recycle some of the bits from here again, just to save time. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete what we don't need, all the lights, this camera, the flag render, the triggers, not the agent, yeah, the stadium, obviously we don't need that. By the way, yeah, notice I've opened this in manual as well, so it's not processing anything. The sim, yeah, we can get rid of that. So I think just these three, yeah, the agent setup, the crowd source, and the crowd render. The most important one really is this, the crowd render, just so we can save the style sheet, right? So we have all this, a lot of code there. You can either use this one, or if you prefer, it's up to you. Or if you're using a different render engine, you can use the setup from week 1, in which we didn't use the shaders. As in this project, we don't have a huge number of agents, you know, maybe 20, 30. Unpacking them won't be a big problem. So, you know, style sheets aren't as necessary. It's up to you. Other than that, yeah, leave that, and then we'll go in here and start cleaning this up. Really, we just need one of these. Yeah, let's delete all of that. We'll get rid of that, and then get rid of all these source points. Build up our own setup later. Agent setup, yeah, the vellum stuff we don't need, so we can get rid of them. What else can we clean up? The clip properties, yes, we're gonna have different clips. This as well. Yeah, most important thing here is the layer. That's the, you know, bit of a tedious task that I don't want to have to repeat. We don't have these flags. These are the vellum flags, if you remember, so we'll get rid of them. Agent prep we can leave, and then we'll update our clips and stuff in another lesson. And then a crowd render, we'll leave this as it is. So we've got this rand function working and render from there. Great. So let me just create a new project, and I'll call it plane crash. And I save this as usual in my D drive. It's up to you. Since we're using the same agents over and over here, you can either, you know, copy and paste and move the files around, or just create one project, one big crowds project, and keep the all the textures in there, but basically more for the textures than anything. Up to you. I'm going to do it like this. Accept and save that. So save as. Go ahead and find that project, which is here, and then I'll call it plane crash version 1. Okay, accept, save that. There shouldn't be hip and C, hip, and there we go.